regards to this, is the conversion of a person the creed on the person's fate on Rosh HaShanah based on his actions?
Based on his actions, I think it's a very good question. If maybe it does, but it can change. I think these things are actually, I mean, I think that they're like flexible. So even it was decreed, something that a person with his or her behavior can lose it, of course, or opposite can actually to make it faster, right? Because now the person is more discerned, because on Rosh Hashanah we judge based on the results of previous year, not so based on the results of the previous year. It is determined the parnas of the person, everything, his health, everything is dependent on the previous year, right? On actual results. It cannot be like predicted based on what happened in the future. HaShem knows the future, but we have a free choice, and based on the free choices that we did the past year, so that's how the future is determined. But it could change, right? So the best example Talmud gives on Rosh HaShanah, right? In Talmud Rosh HaShanah, that the person was decreed to make such an amount of money, let's say less, like very minimal amount of money, that based on his results on previous year, performance of previous year. But this money are going to but he made it to Shua. So the amount stays the same. It was sealed, right? The budget stays the same, but he's going to have a blessing on this money. You understand? So there were not going to be any losses. So in this minimal amount of money, the person would be actually survive, and then another person who was decreed to make a lot of money, but he would lose and would hardly survive, right, or go broke. You understand? So, right, because based on the previous year, he was deserving this much, but based on his performance on this year, so he's not deserving. So he's going to get, amount is the same, but he's going to lose it. He's going to go to medical bills, to, I don't know. So some, unfortunately, I know some parents want to cry for them. So, I mean, they children go to all of the drugs and stuff like that. They go to rehab. So, and father wants to help. They give all the life savings for a few months of treatment. And guess what? Most time it's not going to help. It help exactly zero. You understand? So all of this money that they save, that they think that they deserve, so HaShem can have a million ways to wipe out all of this money. Person is not deserving. On the other hand, if a person is deserving, so HaShem is not going to send him all these children, right? So children are not going to do it. I don't know. He's going to break his something, or has asthma. So now he cannot do heroin or something. I don't know. Like I'm just making up an example, right? So because it would endanger his life. So it's better for him to have this asthma, to have other respiratory disease, but to stay away from drugs. That's for sure. So HaShem has many ways to stop these children, even though he's planning to, but he has many ways. And when he's not deserving, so he gets, and it's very very sad situations, basically, what I'm dealing with. I mean, it's not much that I can do for these parents. I mean, what can I do? Understand? Very sad. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.